He won't finish the hill.
Today I'm gonna win. I already decided. Tom, your front wheel looks a little loose. It's fine, Lily. Don't worry about it. Fastest run ever! Yes! He should have stayed home today. Tom! Tom, are you okay?
Tom, eat first, then we'll talk about the competition.
I already know I'm signing up, Mom.
Welcome, everyone. The City Mega Jam is officially announced.
Custom Pro Deck, 3,000 pounds. That's the best board they make. Your board still rolls really well, Tom. It's old. I know it's old, Lily.
Name and age, please?
And your board class, Tom Watson. Good luck, Watson. You'll really need it. I already have everything I need. Thanks.
Nobody can hear us up here.
Good. Dad, are you sure about this? Tighten every bolt before I practice. Every one.
Put wax on the big rail. He will fall hard.
They're gonna cheat. I heard it.
Remember, not a word.
I understand, Dad. Oops, my mistake, Watson. That's my board! Get it back now! I can't reach it. It's too deep. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Still got it.
How did you just do that? That fell from your pocket. What is it?
Something I haven't touched in a while.
World champion, Arthur, 1989.
You were a champion? Now I clean the park.
I checked his board twice. He's ready.
I'm still nervous. I can't help it.
Tom, there are hundreds of people here. I know. I'm not looking at them. I'm Ryan. You're Tom Watson, right? Yeah. Why do you know my name? Oh. Sorry. My mistake, obviously. You did that on purpose, Mason. 2 minutes. Do you have spare parts? No. I don't have anything. Nothing.
Replacement truck. 45 seconds.
Arthur, how'd you get here so fast? Tom, the board feels okay now. Go. I can feel it. Arthur fixed it right.
Done. He won't see them until it's late.
Those are ball bearings. I can see them. Tom, jump over them. Jump now. I see it. I see it, Lily. Got it. I got it.
The trap failed. We used the rail plan.
Okay. He's actually really good. I didn't know. Kick turn clean. Now the rail. Stay low. Clean. That was clean. Keep going. Dad! Did you see that? Did you see?
I saw it, Lily. I definitely saw.
Second place. Mason got first again. Second is enough. You're in the final. Second doesn't win anything. Remember that, Watson.
That's the death rail. Highest one here.
I know. I've been watching it. Start slower on your first try. I need the speed. I know what I'm doing. No! No! The board's slipping! Tom! Don't move. Just breathe. Stay down. My shoulder and my knee, they're bad. You should really quit now, Watson. Walk away, Mason. Just walk away.
The shoulder's not broken, but it needs rest.
I can't rest. The final's in 5 days.
The helmet's cracked. It did its job, Tom.
The rail was greased. I know it was.
Arthur? How did you find our house?
Ryan Calloway told me. May I come in? I was sabotaged in 1989.
I fell hard. What did you do after that?
Then I learned the combo.
Teach me, I need it. Please.
Before tricks, balance. Everything starts with balance.
I already know how to balance, Arthur. I almost have it. Almost got it.
Your mind must be harder.
My shoulder hurts. I'll try again. I'll keep trying today. You've been here all morning, haven't you? Since 5:30. Arthur's been teaching me balance. 8, 9, 10!
He got 10 seconds.
Good. Now we do it on the board. This pool taught me air control.
It looks very deep from up here. Commit. Just commit. Drop in now.
Higher. You need more speed before the lip.
I keep losing it at the top. Ryan, am I getting the right angle here? Move left. You'll see the whole pool then.
You fall when you fight the air above.
I felt it. I was fighting it.
Kickflip. Then lock into the rail grind. Then spin.
All three together? In one run? I can't do all three together, Arthur.
You could do none of them yesterday.
You're rushing the spin. Your shoulders are too early. Show me. Show me what you mean. I almost had it. That was almost it.
He did it! Tom, you actually did it!
That was real. I just saw that happen.
I've kept this here since 1989.
Arthur, that's the world champion board. I can't take it.
A board is just wood and wheels. Tomorrow, carry it forward.
I will. I promise I will.
Tom, is that Arthur's champion board?
He said to carry his dream with it. A 1989 world champion board? Seriously? I'm using it tomorrow. He gave it.
Sleep well tonight. That's the only rule.
We'll be front row, both of us.
I'll carry it well. I promise, Arthur.
Front row!
Good. Amy, we stay front row all day.
This is my championship. Nobody beats me here. You should be out here, not me.
I am out here, Tom. Through you.
I told Mason I'm done helping him cheat. Did he threaten you, Ryan? He tried. But I watched the grease thing. So did I, Ryan. I heard everything.
One last adjustment before the run starts. Stop. You're not touching that board, Victor. I'm the sponsor. I recorded the grease workers 2 days ago. That video proves nothing. Touch that board and I call the police now. This isn't finished, Watson.
I got the ball bearings on video, too.
Send it to me now. Right now. It's clean now, Tom. Everything's fair from here.
Thanks, Dad. Thank you for being here today. This is my championship. Nobody beats me here.
He really is fast. I have to say that.
That was excellent skating.
Tom's still going after him. Remember that.
9-5. Beat that, Watson. Forget the score.
Skate your run. Nothing else.
I know. I just need to start. Arthur's dream. Carry it forward. Go.
Go, Tom. Please go. Please go.
He's actually really good. I didn't know.
Dad, did you see that? Did you see?
I saw it, Lily. I definitely saw.
The grease is gone now. The rail is clean.
Now. Show them the combo, Tom.
Kickflip, now! Hold it, hold the grind. Don't rush.
He did it! Tom, you actually did it!
That's my dream, right there.
The judges stood up. They never stand up. Did I land it clean? Both trucks?
Tom, it's 9.9!
He won! Amy, he won!
You did it! You really did it, Tom!
We did it, Lily. All of us did.
I'm so very proud.
You were extraordinary today, Tom. Truly extraordinary.
You earned that. Every single point of it. So did you, Ryan. You were brave today. Where's Arthur? I need to find Arthur.
He's there! He's still sitting in his seat.
Get the car. We're leaving right now. Sir, the director needs to speak with you. I have nothing to say to anyone.
Dad, that's us. That's the proof.
It's done now. Everything's on screen for everyone.
Is Victor gonna get arrested, Dad?
I let it happen. I heard you ask him to stop. Get up. We're not done here yet. Neither of us is leaving you alone.
The City Mega Jam champion.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Arthur, this is yours too. This medal belongs to you.
It always did.
You gave me your dream. Now take the medal.
I wasn't expecting this.
You taught Tom everything. You're part of our family.
I forgot what this felt like.
I won this because of you, Arthur.
A good heart wins the world, Tom.